Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Parrot Bluetooth hands-free kit in this vehicle. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on like so, and then to the bottom, if you just turn this thumb wheel here, phone book, calls, dial number, voice commands, settings, SIM card.
Settings. Settings.
Settings, paired devices, spoken display, automatic answer information, hotline, advanced settings. So down to advanced settings. Click advanced settings, you've got pair with phone. We'll click pair with phone. There you've got other phones disable, auto pair. Already you see, so it's Parrot CK3100. Oops, clicked on the wrong one there. Parrot CK300, allow contacts and favourites to sync. I won't be doing because I won't be using the car again, but you will obviously, so don't allow there. And it's already connected. It's one of the old systems and it's so easy to use and easy to connect. Although it's an old system and it's a kind of dial thing or dial from your phone, there's a way you can short circuit that. If you have an iPhone and you make sure, if you go to, we'll look for Siri, where is it? If I can, no, it must be higher up than that. Have I gone past it? Voice memos, Siri and search, there we go. Make sure, hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. So that's that part done. So I'll just show you how it would work. Normally your phone would be over here, of course, you don't have to have it in your hand. Hey Siri, call Gordon. That's it, that's how it works. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth hands-free kit in this car. It's a Parrot kit. So you use the thumb wheel in the center to go to settings.
Settings.
Click on settings. Then the top one is paired devices. You want paired devices. And you've got a phone there. Click on the phone you want to delete. Turn the thumb wheel down to delete. Click delete. Delete device, are you sure? Then you have to press the green button. And that's delete the device, are you sure? That's it gone. So we'll delete that one too. Turn down to delete. Click delete. Delete device, are you sure? And then click the green one on the left hand side. And it's gone.